Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to plan an event with Gemini. So guys, for that go to your Gemini, then tap on Ask Gemini and write here, give me a suppose birthday plan event ideas, and send it to Gemini. Then Gemini will ask you questions and you have to answer your mentality question that you want. Suppose I am going to send it to vibe, and then Gemini will give you the accurate answer very easily. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.